The weight loss industry is flooded with various products promising quick results, but none as revolutionary as the weight loss drink. This drink claims to not only help you shed pounds, but also improve your overall health and well-being. With such bold claims, it's no wonder people are eager to try it out. So, what's the secret behind this weight loss drink? The makers of the drink claim it is made with all-natural ingredients that have been scientifically proven to boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and promote fat burning. They also boast about the drink being free of any chemicals or artificial sweeteners, making it a healthier alternative to other weight loss products on the market. The weight loss drink is meant to be consumed daily as part of a healthy diet and exercise routine. It's said to work by suppressing appetite, leading to fewer calorie intake, and increasing energy levels, allowing for better workouts. It also claims to target stubborn fat areas, such as the belly and thighs, making it a more targeted approach to weight loss. Many users of the weight loss drink have reported significant weight loss and improved overall health. Some have even shared their before and after pictures, showing impressive transformations. But as with any product, results may vary, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key to seeing prolonged success. While the weight loss drink may seem like the perfect solution, it's important to mention possible drawbacks. Some users have reported mild side effects, such as stomach discomfort and headaches. There's also the cost factor to consider, as this drink may be more expensive than other weight loss supplements. Whether you're struggling to lose weight or looking for a healthier alternative to other weight loss products, the weight loss drink seems to be a promising option. With its natural ingredients and reported results, it may be worth giving it a try. But as with any product, it's always best to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your health routine.